Welcome to our overview of the business administration. We're going to talk today about the degree programs in the program guide, which we talked about earlier, which is a document that walks you through a proposed plan to complete your degree program in either business administration or the second degree program in business administration human resources. Again, the most current information is always on the website, but let's take a look so that you at least understand what the program guide is and how students can use it to help themselves with their advisor. So a program guide, this lays out the first semester, the suggested courses a student wishing to major in business administration would take. And so they would take Business 110, Business 137, CIS 110. Now, sometimes these come along with what are called electives. So there's an economics electives where you can choose one from these three different courses. And then there's English 111. So that would be the typical plan for a first semester business administration degree program student. The second semester would be outlined something like this. They would take accounting, some business law, business math, entrepreneurship, principles of marketing. Now, let me caution you, very few students are going to go through this guide exactly as it's laid out. But these are the requirements for the degree program. And this is a suggested program. But it at least gives you all of the courses that are required for the degree program. This here talks about the fact that once you're done with your second semester, oftentimes you will be eligible for a certificate, which certificates we'll get into in a few minutes, but they're very helpful in terms of your resume building and showing to potential employers some of the skills you have. And then the program guide laid out semester 3, and I'm not going to go through it in detail because, again, it's out there online, or you can get a hard copy by stopping by the business administration department. But that lays the whole program out for you. And again, there's some electives in different areas. And then the fourth semester with the graduation requirements being 164 credit hours. So the program guide gives you every course that's required, what electives are required to complete and be successful in your business administration degree. Now, in addition to the business administration, there's a human resources management program, degree program, which has a similar guide. And there I'll direct you to the Wake Tech website, programs, business services and technologies, and you can go into business administration and it'll be laid out there for you. So that's the degree programs. There are 2 of them. In addition to that, there are what are called certificate programs. Certificate programs, as opposed to degree programs, which generally take 4 semesters, certificate programs can be completed in 1 semester, in 2 semesters. So why are certificate programs? Well, many students are earning course credits to transfer to 4-year institutions, and many of these courses are the same as those required for a certificate program. Therefore, at no additional cost and if any additional courses, students can earn a certificate that validates their qualifications to potential employees. However, students must sign up for these certificates, and we'll show you how in a minute. But these certificates can be very helpful in differentiating yourself on your resume. So the most common certificate is what's called the Business Core Certificate, and it's very common because it follows very closely to the degree program, i.e., most students will complete these courses, the Business 110, the Business 137, etc. Notice you can get a certificate in as little as 16 hours. And there are the requirements for the Business Core Certificate. In addition to the Business Core, there are 8 others for a total of 9 in all sorts of specialty areas. And again, the requirements for these are all on the website, or you can talk to your advisor, or oftentimes talk to your instructor about these programs. So how do students sign up for a certificate? Well, first of all, we're going to try to make it easy by putting the form on this Blackboard site for you for this course. Secondly, you can see your advisor, or often if it's a full-time instructor, you can see your instructor. And lastly, if you're in a seated class, each semester there will be a sign-up visit by one of the leaders in the business administration or one of the instructors to make sure you have what you need to sign up for these certificates. Again, it's no additional cost to students, there's no commitment to complete, and it's an excellent resume addition. So, in this video we've covered degrees and certificates. Thanks.